So first we look at the single column cash book. What is a single column cash book? This is number one, right? Comparatively business of small organization like a grocery shop, like a small clothing business, like a medicine shop, small businesses, not an enterprise. So small size prepare single column cash book. So organization that don't deal with the bank rather prefer cash transactions. Some organization don't prefer, grocery. When you are buying any grocery, definitely you will not gonna give any check to the grocery shopper, right? So they basically what such type of business prefer, cash rather than bank. So that for that type of business, single column cash books is actually followed more. So organizations that don't deal with bank rather prefer cash transactions keep single column cash book. So since transactions through bank are safe, the number of this organization keeping records accounts under single column cash book is gradually decreasing. Though like a grocery shop, we are not giving the check, or medicine when we are buying some products from the small business, we are not giving a check, rather than we are paying the cash. But still the grocery shopper have a business account in any types of account, right? So such type of business of this organization keeping records under single columns, it's actually not appropriate and not scientific. Sometimes, who knows, you need to have transactions through bank, you need to take loan from bank, you need to pay loan, or you need to pay some of your creditors through bank, who know it. So yeah, when that time it will be very difficult to record properly in your accounting book, right? So for that reason, single column cash books is actually it's actually decreasing, and it's discouraged to use that single column cash book in our business. Okay, so comparatively business of a small size prepared single column cash book, organization that don't deal with bank, rather prefer cash transactions, keep single columns cash book. And since transactions through bank, and now what happened? There are lots of online payment, Bikash, Nogod, Rocket, Upay, and some others as well, right? So when they are transacting through online payment, it's actually definitely related to the bank or whatever it is. Now how you will record it? Single column, then it's not appropriate. So that's the reason it's not, as this is not safe or not that much scientific. People or accountant people are discouraging to use that single column cash book. When there is a business revelations, very first when the business started, that time that was okay, single column cash books are okay. But for now, it's actually not that much encouraging to use in your business. Okay, so but still we need to know what's the formats and what is single column cash book. Okay, why it's called single column cash book? Because it has only one column, it has only one single column of amount. So that's the reason it says single column, just like a T table, right? See, in the format of single columns cash book, see, just like a T table. The left side is debit and the right side is credit. Left side there is a date, a received, voucher number, then ledger folio amount. For the credit, saying date, payment, voucher number, ledger folio, and amount. And it's the debit side is for the receipt. See, not the particulars, right? T tables or some and journal books. This column's name is particulars or descriptions. But over here, and is only the cash book, cash. So that's why when we are receive, we will gonna write it in a debit side. When we are paying something, we will write in a credit side. And as this has only one column of amount, that's why it's called single column cash book. Okay. Okay. So this is the definitions and formats of single column cash book.